All right, guys, we pulled her out of the bay. So satin black, Avery wrap. It looks amazing. Kind of in the shadows here. You know, I love the raw stainless steel finish, but so much maintenance. Now this one's gonna be all hand washed, so speaking of maintenance, we're gonna be doing a lot more hand washing. No more going through the car wash with this one. Looks amazing in the shadows, in the light. I am so stoked. All right, guys, so I just want to make a quick video. Cybertruck delivery at RBO Motorsports, day 7 of ownership. Got the West Sahara Tesla Service Center. All right, guys, hit that like button, smash subscribe, leave your feedback, and we will see you on the next one.